Hi Dry So Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to be celebrating Mom with Pusheen. So let's get started. To draw cute Pusheen, let's first start by drawing little Pusheen. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a soft curve at an angle, so slightly going upwards. Then from there, as usual, we're just going to go ahead and draw her ears. So come up, round off the tip, and come down. But everything, remember, is at this angle. So we're going to do the same thing right here and come down. There. Then from there, I'm going to come down right here, a little bit more, and here. And then before I finish anything, I want to come back and draw her stripes. So right here, I'm just going to draw 3 little U's. And then I'm going to find my center, come down to about right here. We're going to go draw her mouth and her nose area. So straight line out and curve. But once again, it's at this angle. And curve. And then come right across from it, and we're going to draw a circle for her eyes. And we'll just give a little highlight right here and shade this in. And same thing over here. There. Kind of wobbled on her mouth right there. Okay, so then from there, we're going to, let's bring this down. We're going to come in like that and then come out, just for the back of her body. And then in this area is where we're going to draw some flowers. So let's come to, say, about right here would be like the center of her body. We're going to come about right here to the sides, and we're going to draw her hand, like as if her hand's on the side. I mean, right here we're just going to draw a little curve and bring it in for her hand. Then we're going to draw a bouquet, and I'm just going to draw 3 very simplified roses. So let's come about right here, and I'm just going to wobble this round shape. And let's wobble another one just to make it a lot easier, so we know where all our flowers are. And one more right here. And just tuck that one big one in there. And then now that I have the shape in here, I'm just going to come in and just twirl around. And then once in a while, you can change it up. Bring it in. There. So same thing here. Just twirl. And continue just adding more and more around it. And just break it in once in a while. It's all up to you. There's no right or wrong way. So there. So same thing here. Just twirl in the center, then come out, surround it. And another big one here. There. Okay, so now that we have our roses in, we're going to spruce them up. Let's add a leaf right here, perhaps. Can add some leaves right here. And whatever space you need, you can just add another line right there, just to fill up the space. And another leaf right there. And then we're going to draw, let's see where all the stems come together. So I'm just going to find my right angle and come about right here. Just give myself a point so I know that's the angle I'm aiming for, and I'm just going to go up. There, with a little holder for our flowers. I'll just draw some curves right here to spruce it up. Okay, so then whatever space you have left, just finish off Pusheen. And I'm going to come right here and draw her whiskers before I forget. 2 little whiskers. And then we can go ahead and continue her body. So just imagine it's coming down about right here. And here, let's bring this out. So about the same level. Let's bring this down a little bit more. And right here, I'm going to add a little foot. And continue this in. So we're kind of going at an angle because she's at an angle. So about right here, just going to curl up. There. And then right here, let's add another little foot in this area for another curl. There. And let's draw her stripes on her back. and a tail. So about right here, just go ahead and draw a little tail that pops out and some stripes on her tail. There. Okay, so then now that we're done with Pusheen, let's draw Mom, right? So Mom is going to be right next to Pusheen. So I'm just going to say about right here. I'm just going to start nice and high up here. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve straight ahead. And then I'm going to come out just like Pusheen and pop out the ears, round off the tip, and I'll bring it down. And same thing here. Bring up the tip and then come across. So this one is going to come out a little bit more because it's kind of like her back area, and this is going to come down a little bit straighter. So I'll just bring it to about right here. And then before I finish anything else, let's go in and draw her stripes and her mouth. So find your center. I'm going to come over a tiny little bit because she's kind of looking at Pusheen, right? So let's say about right here. I'm going to draw a straight line down and curve out. And same thing on the other side. And then right next to her mouth, I'm going to draw a circle. Do a little highlight. And shade it in. So same thing over here. There, nice big eyes. And then let's draw some whiskers for Mom. And same thing here. From there, let's go ahead and draw her hand. So right underneath her mouth, I'm going to come about right here. And we're just going to draw two curves that kind of come together. Right here. She's just so happy, right? Okay, so then let's go ahead and continue her body. So I'm just going to imagine this curve coming down and, oh, let's say about right here, right next to Pusheen. About right there, and then I'm going to pop out a foot. Right there. So let's bring this down. See how wide you want to bring this in, and then we're going to start to bring it in. Right here. So let's go ahead and finish the feet first. So this is going to go across. And then right here, you can pop out another foot. And so now that we have this, we know where her base is, her foot is. We're going to come about right here. We're just going to continue her tail all the way around and come right back up. There. So now we have her tail in. Let's go ahead and draw some stripes for her tail as well. And then she has 3 stripes on her back. So that is pretty much it for this cute little drawing. And before I go, I'm going to add a little heart right here to make it my jaw so cute. Pusheen and Mom. And just a little note when you're drawing Mom, depending on where you put this curve will determine how far away she is from Pusheen. But it really doesn't matter. So if you put it out further, then she's just there's more gap between her and Pusheen. But as long as it's not too far away, that's totally fine. We just want it somewhere around here. But I really hope I helped you draw this cute little Pusheen drawing to celebrate Mother's Day. And if you loved it and I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me, please give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.